Welcome back. We're doing green from Rainbow Friends. What do we need, Izzy?
Black, white, red, and green Play-Doh.
To make things a bit easier, you can use some tools.
Tossing tool, a spoon, or even a ruler.
First, roll a nice even log and bend both ends down.
Roll a log and bend it like a rainbow.
Roll a longer and thicker log to make his body. Make sure the two pieces of dough sticks to each other, and you can use a spoon or a tool to smooth out the bit where you've joined them. I'm helping Izzy along. You can ask an adult to help you too. Well done, Izzy!
A thread log for the body.
Now roll a long piece to make his arms. Check that it's long enough on either side. Once you are happy with the length, you can cut it in half. Join the arms to the side of his body. Smooth out the area where you joined the two pieces.
Long arms are equal length.
Now roll out some tiny fingers. Add 3 to each hand.
Three fingers on each hand.
Make a cut into the dough right where you want his mouth to be, but do not cut it all the way through. Now stretch the dough up a bit, and this will create an opening like a mouth. Roll a thin piece of white dough and cut out little teeth. Carefully place the teeth inside his mouth.
Tiny white pie for teeth.
Make a thin little strip for the tongue. Be careful with these little details as they can be very tricky.
A thin red strip for his tongue.
Our Play-Doh green is almost done. Let's finish him up. Now for the eyes. Roll 2 little white eyeballs and place it on his face.
2 white circle for eyeball.
And finally, we make the pupils.
Two black dots for to the eye.
And that's our Play-Doh green.
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Izzy?
I already made my own one.
You made another one? Wow. Hope you enjoyed this video, everybody.
Yeah.
Please like,
Do subscribe.
do subscribe, click the bell icon to get
Yeah.
notified of
Yeah.
any new videos.
Oh yeah, so thank you for watching.
Be good,
Have fun.
have fun.
Bye.